This video here will go through how to use Adobe Scan with the basic features. This one's showing starting off with the home screen, and so to get things to where we want to scan, we can go ahead and click the camera icon so we can take pictures of our pages. So here you can see my one of the papers here. You just kind of rotate it to get the paper in the frame, all right, and it takes the picture automatically, and so then it tells you that you've got one picture, right, one page scanned. If it doesn't automatically scan, you can tap on the spinning circle there in the bottom of the screen. So here's another page. And once it gets the image there, it'll automatically capture it. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit, or just hold the iPad closer. And then just one by one, just do some different pages in here. This one's a smaller page, it's a half sheet. And here, if you do like me sometimes, you leave your paper sitting on top of a bunch of other stuff. I'll show you how we can deal with that once we've taken that picture. And once you have everything you want to go ahead and just tap the stack of pages down here in the bottom right, and then it goes into the modify mode. So once we're in here in the modify mode, we can crop the pages. That's the main thing you're going to want to do, is just to make sure it captured what you want, not too much, not too little. And then you want to click that blue check in order to accept your changes. Then you go to another page and you crop it as you want it. That one's okay. That one's good. And so here's that stack of papers, right? So we can crop this and we can pick out the page we want. And I'm just going to go ahead and show you, you can manipulate this whole thing down to whatever you want it to be. I'm going to go ahead and just pick out just the data table down here. In this case, maybe that's all you want to submit to me, is just your data from a particular page. And that cuts that down for you. So yeah, we can kind of look around, kind of review it, say, wait a minute, I've got two of the same page here. I'll get rid of one of them, so I'm going to hit the delete. And with the delete, it just takes that page out. And now I only have that copy of it. All right. So I'll kind of look through everything, but say I want to add a page to it. I can add it. I want to add it to the end, so I'll put it all the way to the last page, and we'll tap on the add a page down here at the bottom. And you can either take a picture or select from your photos. So I picked one of my photos on the iPad here, and I can crop it to include the whole picture or whatever I want here. And again, now I've added another picture in here, so I can edit my PDF while I'm working. I think I'm done. I'm going to go ahead and rename this to something useful, what fits that I'm doing. This is just Adobe Scan 2. This is the second time I've done this. And now I can save the PDF. And this takes a little while, depending how many pages you have. It goes through and formats it and recognizes some text in some cases. If you want to save it, you want to click on Share, or tap on Share, excuse me. And that'll give the option of sharing a link or a copy. I would suggest a copy, and then find where you want to send it. You can email it, you can put it in a cloud storage like OneDrive, find the folder you want and upload it. And then you'll have your PDF saved and sent to wherever you need to. Now the other thing you can do with this, and I didn't video this part of it because it's really quick, you can just tap on the actual file itself, the image that you just worked on, or any other ones you have saved. And if you just click on modify down there at the bottom, so it opens the file back up there so that you can go through and add more pages again, or you can take out pages if you don't like what you have in there. You can change stuff. So again, I would highly recommend you use the Adobe Scan or some other kind of camera scanning tool that is similar to that to help you put all of your pages of your work and everything into a PDF format to be able to submit those. Thanks.